Right, this good one. Right?
Okay.
This quote, exactly. I was very interested in the purity of three chords, but I was lured away by polyphonic harmony.
Oh, yes, I think we've all got it now. Tell us who you're going to be, Kevin.
Well, tonight, Matthew, I'm going to be Neil Hannon from The Divine Comedy.
Neil Hannon! With the song everybody knows tonight, singing live, Kevin Dewsbury is Neil Hannon!
Take the National Express when your life's in a mess. It'll make you smile. All human life is here, through the feeble of gear, to the screaming child, to the flap of the got here is special. National Express, and then Holly hostess, selling crisps and tea. She'll provide you with drinks and theatrical wings for a sky-high fee. Many skirts were in style when she danced down the aisle back in '63. Yeah, but it's hard to get by when your ass is the size of a small country. Everybody say, aha! Right, that's where you go. When you're sad and feeling blue, with nothing better to do, don't just sit there feeling stressed. Take a little trip on the National Express. On the National Express. Thanks very much for your support. Any past years, here's the next 2 or maybe 20. Good night!